In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change and add a phone number on your Outlook account. It's a straightforward process, and I'll walk you through each step, ensuring you feel confident in managing your account settings. Let's get started. First, you'll want to head over to the Microsoft Outlook main page. Once you're there, locate and click on the Sign In button. This will take you to the sign in page where you'll need to enter your login details. Go ahead and type in your email and password. Once you've done that, you'll find a next button. Click it to proceed. Now, you'll find yourself on the Outlook dashboard. Take a look at the top right corner. This is where you'll see your profile icon. Click on this icon and you'll notice an option that says My Microsoft Account. Select that and it will redirect you to your account management page. In the My Microsoft Account section, look for the tab labeled Your Info. Clicking on this will provide several options related to your personal information. Locate the section that's focused on editing or updating your account settings. You'll want to focus on the bottom left portion of this page where you should find a link saying Edit Account. Well, click on that to proceed to your account settings. Here's where the magic happens. You will be taken to a section labeled Manage How You Sign In to Microsoft. This is the hub for adding or changing your phone number. Beneath the options provided, there will be a button to add your phone number. Click on that and you'll be prompted to enter the new number you wish to associate with your account. Go ahead and type in your new phone number. Once you've inputted that information, there will be an option to click Next. This will set the new phone number as part of your account, establishing it as a recovery option and a way to enhance your account security. And there you have it. In just a few steps, you've successfully changed or added a phone number to your Outlook account. Not only does this update your contact information, but it also fortifies your account security settings. Remember, updating your phone number can be invaluable for the recovery of your account in case you ever need to reset your password or verify your identity. Thank you for tuning in and following along with today's guide. Feel free to revisit these instructions whenever you need to make changes to your account. Have a great day and happy emailing.